Today we will be discussing the different layers of the Earth. This picture shows the inside layers that the Earth consists of. This picture shows the difference between continental crust and oceanic crust. Earth's crust is thicker under the continents and thinner under the ocean. Earth's core is the most interior zone of Earth. The bottom picture depicts the Earth's outer core, which is liquid and composed of iron and nickel. The top picture depicts the Earth's inner core, which is composed of solid iron and nickel. Earth's mantle has two layers, the outer mantle and the inner mantle, which includes the lithosphere and the asthenosphere. This is a cross-section that shows the relative thickness of each layer of the Earth. Convection currents in the asthenosphere are caused by differences in temperature. They move materials up and down throughout the mantle. This diagram is a representation of how new crust is formed when hot magma rises to the surface and cools. This diagram represents the same concept as the previous slide, except it shows how old crust is subducted down into the Earth's inner layers. The lithosphere is divided into 7 large pieces and several small pieces. Each piece is a huge slab of rock called a plate.
Rotating once a day, Earth takes a year to orbit the Sun at a distance of 150 million kilometers. Earth is the largest inner planet, third from the Sun and first with the Moon. Little more than a veneer, the top layer of Earth is the crust. It's thickest beneath the continents, as much as 80 kilometers, but thins to 10 under the oceans. Below is the hot mantle, a mix of partially melted and solid rock. Then comes the liquid outer core, and within, the solid inner core, a slowly rotating heart of iron and nickel. This rotation inside the molten outer core is thought to be the dynamo generating our magnetic field. In the northern hemisphere, magnetic north is really a south pole. It attracts the north pole of a magnet in a compass, but not always. Every few 100,000 years, the poles reverse, and no one knows why. Volcanic eruptions are symptoms of Earth's hot interior. Through vents in the crust, lava releases heat lost from the core as it slowly solidifies. Earth's crust is like a cracked eggshell. The cracks are boundaries of great plates, and where plates interact, there are earthquakes and volcanoes. But the greatest consequence is continental drift. Riding on partially melted strata in the upper mantle, this is how plate movement has changed the map of Earth during the past 500 million years. As plates crashed together, mountain ranges grew, like the Alps, where Italy hit Europe, and the Himalayas, where the Indian subcontinent collided with Asia. And where plates have pulled apart, huge fissures appeared, as here in the Dead Sea Rift Valley. Earthquakes and volcanoes mean plates are either pulling or pushing. They move at between 1 and 10 centimeters a year. And the process continues, whether in the oceans or from billowing peaks.